Hey and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we would kindly ask that you give this video a like if we were able to deliver some value to you, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. Oh, and one last thing before we start, please remember that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. So let's start the video. Today I'm going to tell you why you should buy a Gala Node ASAP. For real guys, don't miss out on this one. Cryptocurrency is a thriving sector that has established a name for itself in recent years, and I believe it will continue to do so in the future. Cryptocurrency is nothing more than a digital asset that can be kept in digital wallets and used to buy goods and services on the internet. I believe that virtually all of us are aware with how the sector works today, and some of you may even be investing in it. But I believe it's necessary for me to give you a quick introduction to crypto before moving on to today's topic. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that operates on blockchain technology and is unquestionably safe, owing to encryption. Not to mention the fact that the sector is entirely decentralized, which means it may easily avoid government and other central authorities' supervision. Users may also use Bitcoin to trade and swap it on one of many cryptocurrency exchanges accessible on the market. For some people, cryptocurrency is viewed as an investment or a source of passive income. Someone of you who have been following the crypto business since its inception would agree with me that there are few cryptocurrencies accessible at the time, and hence few people were interested in locking up their money in something they didn't understand beyond the word of mouth that was being shared. Currently, the sector is thriving on a worldwide scale, attracting a slew of prospective investors, including some of the world's most powerful businessmen and celebrities such as Elon Musk. People were enticed to invest after seeing it acquired support and popularity, and this is how it has gone so far, and it's likely to remain this way in the future. According to global crypto experts, it is the future of payment systems all over the world, and the industry is already moving in that direction. To substantiate this claim, consider the fact that McDonald's in El Salvador has begun taking cryptocurrency as an official form of payment from its clients, specifically Bitcoin, proving that these assumptions are not totally unfounded. When it comes to the many currencies accessible today, some of the major coins are Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and a growing number of others. Today, though, we have something called Gala Games. Let's start with a bit of an overview and we will talk specifically about the Gala Node and why you should buy it right now. So here it is, everything to know about Gala Games and the founder, Nodes, Gala. Gala Games was founded by Eric Schiermeier. He was the co-founder of Zynga, which is a Facebook gaming company that released Farmville, a popular social and mobile gaming company. Under Schiermeier's leadership, Zynga launched popular games like Poker, Mafia Wars, and Farmville. Schiermeier, who has a reputation for working on the cutting edge of gaming, launched Gala Games in July 2019 to create a blockchain-based game network and give players ownership of their games. Gala is a gaming platform that combines non-fungible tokens or NFTs with the goal of creating a blockchain game ecosystem that allows players to trade and own game products with anybody on a global scale at a time. In total, the Gala Games consists of 60 employees. One of the team member who moved from EA Games to Gala, John Oswald, has a 15-year career in the free-to-play gaming industry, having joined Zynga as a product manager in the early days. He was a pioneer of free-to-play and data-driven product design at Zynga, working at Farmville, Cafe World, Frontierville, and Castleville, among other Zynga hits. John departed Zynga as Senior Vice President of Games and co-founded Shiver Entertainment with former EA and Zynga COO, John Shepard, working on mobile real-time strategy with Nexon. And alongside Gala CEO and Zynga co-founder Eric Schiermeier, John co-founded Carnivore Studios, which produced Clan HQ, a mobile messenger for mobile gaming clans, as well as Rival 1 vs. 1, a head-to-head platform that enables players to wager against one another in popular mobile games. Before returning to game creation, John obtained 2 rounds of investment, totaling over $10 million from notable investors, Sequoia Capital and Mayfield Fund, over the course of 3 years. As head of product for Electronic Arts' newly formed mobile division, John provided overall product management structure across the platform, as well as product-specific development assistance for games across the production spectrum. John added, "I've always loved free-to-play, yet have been bothered by a disconnect between players who spend time and money to build assets in games which they never really own. Finally, Gala Games has provided the platform and technology to align players and developers for the future of gaming. Its team is building the Gala network to enable games to take advantage of cryptocurrency and blockchain features, and it's also part of Sandbox Games, which is making titles such as Townstar to take advantage of the Gala network. In other words, Gala Games aims to take the gaming industry to a whole new path by reclaiming control of the game for the players. Gala Games aim, according to the platform's website, is to create blockchain games you'll really want to play. Gala Games essentially wants to shift the community's perception of the reality that gamers may invest hundreds of dollars on gaming assets and countless hours playing the game, all of which can be taken away with the touch of a button. As a result, the project aims to give players ownership over the games and in-game assets, as well as reintroduce the notion of creative thinking into the games, all using blockchain technology. Also, Gala is known to be the native utility token of the platform, which has several users including network governance, node operator incentives, in-game rewards for players being a part of the game available on the platform. It can also be used as an in-game currency in order to purchase NFTs and items from the Gala store. Talking about NFTs, you must be thinking, what role do NFTs play in the entire process? Basically, players can own non-fungible tokens or NFTs and will be able to influence the governance of the games within the ecosystem of the Gala Games. The nodes voting mechanism introduced by the founder of the platform enables players on the platform to influence as to what games should get funding as well as what games the platform should focus on developing. Pay-to-earn gaming as well as NFTs are two of the most hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market as of now because of the fact that each present new avenues for attracting new users and the special characters of each category allow players to generate income rather than having to do expenditure in order to become part of the community. How many Gala games or Gala coins are there in circulation? The maximum supply of Gala tokens will be 35 billion. Approximately 7 billion Gala are now in circulation. Every day around 0.200 UTC, 17,123,286 million Gala is distributed. The Gala Games coin conservatorship receives half of the Gala and the founders' node operators receive the other half. The distribution of Gala will be halved each year on July 21st. For example, from July 21st, 2022, Gala's daily distribution will be 8,561,643 instead of 17,123,286. The Gala token is a utility token that may be earned by running a node and used to purchase items in the game. Gala node founders will get different game coins as the game will launch on their platform, and the first one is Townstar, which is now also distributed to founders' nodes. Townstar is a competitive farming game from one of the co-founders of Zynga, the company behind Farmville. They built the game on Gala's own network, which utilizes the Ethereum blockchain. Some Townstar goods are played at an all-time and anytime by anybody in the game. These goods are only available for purchase using in-game currency. This money must be completely earned and spent in the game. It has no actual worth outside of the game and is not transferable. Other goods have a limited supply and may only be owned by one person at a time. They are known as blockchain things, or NFTs for short. Gala having 20 games that's already approved to be on the system, but we don't know all the names yet. The Gala Network's games provide blockchain-powered gaming experiences with over a half-dozen titles, currently under development. RPG games, space exploration games, tower defense games, and other types of games are included in this category. Coming back to the topic, Gala Games begin a blockchain-focused gaming platform and enables its users to make up for the unique NFT characters while in the game, and seeing its potential and the project making significant gains, Binance too has already listed Gala token on its platform. Gala Games, in addition to acquiring non-fungible tokens for individual games, may also use its own utility token as previously indicated. When it comes to the games available on the platform, it's worth noting that Gala Games has only been able to release one playable game, that's Townstar, as well as a series of NFT collectibles, Vox, while planning to release many more games in the future, including an RPG, a tower defense game, and a sci-fi strategy game. Gala Games has expanded to over 1.3 million monthly active users since the platform's launch in the 2019 model year, and almost 26,000 NFTs have already been sold, with the most expensive piece costing $3 million, not to mention the fact that the Gala Games team now has 60 members. Gala project has really taken off since it was listed on Binance, and it has been progressively gaining pace for a few months now, since the NFT industry is also flourishing. Gala Games successfully completed the first sale of Vox, the platform's major NFT product, on August 11th, and it was sold in less than 8 minutes, despite high gas costs and network congestion. Gala might be aiming to follow the road left down by other popular play-to-earn gaming platforms like Axie Infinity with these recent actions of giving an update for the Townstar game as well as disclosing specifics about spider tanks. What makes Gala Games special? Gala Games, unlike others, is not a single game but rather a collection of many blockchain games that prioritize pleasure over blockchain. Townstar, as previously said, is presently the Gala Games platform only playable game. And the greatest part is that it can be played in a browser. The players really control and own the town in the game, which makes it a far more genuine experience. Vox, on the other side, is a group of Gala NFT avatars. It's also worth noting that each Vox is distinct from the others, with some being quite rare. Furthermore, when Vox was originally released, it was able to distribute almost 8,888 Vox for an average price of 0.888 ETH, which is roughly $280 now. In addition, when it comes to game creation, community feedback is quite important. Gala Games is known for interacting with their community on Discord on a regular basis, allowing players to shape the design and direction of the games. Users on the platform can also run Gala nodes, which is known to promote Gala networks in exchange for incentives such as limited edition NFTs, Gala, and a variety of other options. The Gala node ecosystem is made up of a triple-proof node system that includes proof of work, or POW, proof of storage, and proof of stake, founder nodes, which are Tier 1 nodes based on over 50,000 fully owned NFTs, are used in POW. These are the project's early supporters who will get NFTs from all games, as well as Gala allotted to their node license. US, on the other hand, are paid nodes that are known to be function for certain games using a smart contract or rental design structure. Finally, what makes Gala nodes even more unique are proof of storage nodes, which are free nodes that allow games to be completely stored on the node ecosystem, eliminating the need for centralized hosting solutions like Amazon S3. Investing in Gala. The price of Gala is now around $0.1 US, with a 24-hour trading volume of $406,323 and with a market cap of $793,532,126 US. Gala is presently ranked at number 122 in the coin market cap ratings. Current circulation quantity of Gala coins is about 6,977,205,436 Gala coins. However, the currency full lifetime supply is currently unavailable. The value of the currency has increased by 443.02% in just 1 week. As Gala Games moves to an NFT-based node system, there will be a few changes that come into effect. As of the time of writing, 37,000 nodes have been purchased. In the new pricing structure, the price is going to increase by $100 for each 100 nodes sold. This was until recently upgraded to $500 for every 100 nodes that's been sold. Guys, if you want to buy a Gala node, we do have one thing to ask. Please use our referral link at the description below, as this would mean a lot to us, and this way you'd actually be supporting the channel. And for every node that's been purchased under our referral code, it'll win us some Gala coins. So please consider using our referral code while registering to the system. In terms of investing in Gala, I feel that after watching this video, you should have a good knowledge of what Gala is and should be able to determine for yourself whether or not it is an appropriate thing for you to do. I'll attempt to explain why you should buy a Gala Games node right now, and here are the reasons. Owning a Gala node gives you a voting right for the ecosystem. This is one of the characteristics that distinguishes Gala Games from the competition. It was designed with players and operators in mind and is owned by them. As a node owner, you have voting rights that allow you to influence the company's destiny and development path. There are only 50K founders Gala nodes. That's correct. There can never be more than 50,000 founders nodes that award Gala tokens, future game tokens, and gaming NFTs for games like Townstar and Miranda's to its owner, which is going to be huge. Furthermore, for each 100 nodes sold, the price of the remaining nodes rise by $500. That means that the final 100 nodes will cost around 100,000 in Ethereum or Gala tokens. Gala nodes give you passive income. You may participate in the distribution of Gala tokens by purchasing a Gala node license and running a Gala node for 6 hours every day. During each daily distribution cycle, each node receives 1 point. After then, the entire daily supply of Gala nodes is spread evenly across all points. The Gala tokens are then divided to the node owners and placed in their treasure chests. They may then start minting Gala tokens on the blockchain. Gala Games will occasionally award gaming NFTs to node owners, which might be a great bonus if the game becomes popular in the future. Gala nodes are still relatively cheap. There are a little over 15,000 nodes left for sale at the $25,000 tier at the time of writing this summary. Remember that the price increases by $500 for every 100 nodes sold. You may buy 5 nodes for $100,000 now and collect Gala tokens for the rest of your life. Or you can wait to watch how the project develops over time without receiving the possibly much more expensive Gala tokens until the nodes reach $100,000 and your FOMO, or fear of missing out, reaches new heights. It's entirely up to you to decide. This is not financial advice because I'm not a financial counselor, but I want you to be aware that blockchain technology is the way of the future. Join the future now before it becomes prohibitively costly. Remember Bitcoin and Ethereum. Gala Games or Gala can likely prove to be a worthwhile investment given what it has to offer and its future ambitions for our gamers. Given the increase in its value in the last week alone, I believe that Gala may offer you with good returns. If not now, then in the future. If you're wondering where you can get Gala, look no further. Allow me to assist you with this today. Gala is widely traded in all major cryptocurrency exchanges, but some of the more popular ones are Binance, ZT, Mandala Exchange, KuCoin, and Gate.io to mention a few. How do you feel about Gala nodes? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Check out the other videos on my YouTube channel to learn more about other cryptocurrencies. Thank you for taking the time to see this video. And if you found it useful, please share it with your investing friends. Again, please keep in mind that the above information is provided for informational purposes only. It doesn't constitute any kind of financial advice or represent any official forecast. Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile asset, and you're investing in it at your own risk. We will see you in the next video, guys, and until then, let's buy some Gala nodes. Thank you for watching.